Today, we're exploring a stunning modern tiny home that stands out with its sleek black exterior and luxurious interior. From the moment you lay eyes on it, this house feels like a perfect blend of style and comfort. The bold black metal siding, paired with sharp architectural lines, gives it a contemporary, futuristic look. And just look at that extended roof and upper floor balcony, a design that truly makes a statement. Stepping inside, you're immediately greeted by a warm and cozy living area. The rich brown leather sofa, positioned right by the window, allows natural light to flood the space, creating the perfect spot to unwind. And take a look at this TV wall. Its antique-inspired design adds just the right amount of rustic charm while keeping things modern and stylish. It's the kind of space that instantly makes you feel at home. Moving towards the kitchen, you'll notice how beautifully designed this space is. With its sleek black cabinets, wooden countertops, and open layout, it creates an industrial modern aesthetic that's both functional and elegant. Right in the center, there's a round dining table, small, yet perfectly suited for cozy meals. And then, there's the spiral staircase. This striking design feature isn't just for functionality. It's a stunning architectural element that adds character to the entire home. Heading upstairs, we enter the bedroom, a serene, minimalist retreat. Positioned right by the window, this space is bathed in natural light, making it feel airy and inviting. It's the perfect spot to relax after a long day. And just wait until you see the bathroom. Though compact, it boasts high-end fixtures and a sleek modern design that make it feel like a luxurious hotel suite. Every detail, from the lighting to the finishes, has been thoughtfully chosen to elevate the space. And finally, just imagine standing on this gorgeous balcony, sipping your morning coffee, and taking in the breathtaking view. This tiny home is not just a living space, it's an experience. A perfect blend of comfort, elegance, and modern design. So, what do you think? Which feature caught your eye the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible tiny home showcases.